Hey everybody, so this is our unboxing here from Chin Pals. Alright, let's see what we got here. Lots and lots of treats. So, let's see what exactly is in here. The Crown Collection. Awesome. Okay. And what do we have here? Let me hold that up. Welcome to the kingdom. Awesome. There we go. A good reminder of the King Linus. Okay, we got our first bundle over here. All right, looking good. The basket weave. Put that on the side for now. All right. All of the usual two toys. Let's see what we're working with right now. Oh, hello, Gilbert. You gonna meet us upstairs, buddy? All right. Let's see here. So these are some older toys that we have going on here. Oh, look who's here. Look who decided to show up. Hello, buddy. Hi. Okay, bye. All right, let's go to the next cage here. There we go. We got an appearance from Mr. Peanut. Hello, Mr. Peanut. Say hi to your fans.
Gilbert, I think you're a purple person.
Say hi to the people.
What do you think? Is Gilbert?
Fellow Chin Pals. Say hello. Mr. Peanut. Hey, you are, buddy. You're looking good. Probably use a bath. It's downstairs. All right.
He doesn't like to take baths when people are watching.
Look at this jailbird over here. Guy, it's open upstairs, my friend. Come upstairs. Come upstairs. Come upstairs. Gilbert. Thank you, buddy. There he is. All right. And already leaving, buddy? Come on. Party's just getting started. There we are. All right. He'll be back. He likes hopping on top of his bed anyway. Doesn't use the bed much for bedding, but maybe he runs in and out. All right. Here we go. Hello, Peanut. You gonna come out, buddy? You gonna do some investigations? Terrible pun. He seems curious. There we go. One down. Ah, red and blue. That's pretty. Yeah, already added. Already added, sir. No wonder you were being aggressive with me earlier with my hand. You were just waiting to chew on something. Okay. All right, buddy. I'll let you have it. Good boy. You again. You just like being behind bars. Hey, buddy. Why are you like this? We are open upstairs, sir. What are you doing downstairs? Huh, Puffy? What you doing, Puffy?
Do you remember these from when you were a kid?
Oh, what's the surprise in the box? Oh, the finger trap. We got Chinese finger traps over here. I don't know why. Yeah, go ahead and lower it. There you go.
They're Chinchilla safe finger traps.
You heard it first here, people.
Chew on them.
The chinchillas are Chinese. Look who decided to make an entrance. Here is Suki doing a review. Said it's chintastic. We are going to chew this down, chin style. Hello. Yeah, you guys can't wait to break this down. All right, we got 2 more finger traps. Chinchilla safe. Not people safe. Look at them go. Oh my. I hate to be a new treat.
You want it? Oh, there you go. He took a toy.
Yeah? Did he take it and run?
He took a toy.
He took a toy? What you got behind this jail, sir? Okay. Well, we are distracting you. Apologies. You may go back to your toy.
He just doesn't want to hang up upstairs right now.
Yeah, he's a low
Here.
Low kind of guy.
Let's put one of these down the bottom. And he'll chew on it that way.
And then he goes on the top.
That's because we open it. There we go.
Look at this guy. You got your belly exposed and everything, Peanut.
Now he's chewing on the trap.
Now you're chewing on the trap.
Look at the way he's laying.
Camera shy? Camera shy now? You got caught chewing? Yeah. Caught chewing on the job. This guy. This guy. Look at you. Not a shame in the world. Peanut with his whole body exposed. You two were made for this.
Thank you.
Just chins of destruction. Gotta love it. Deconstruction. Let's be nicer. This is terribly cute. Chins at work, people. Gilbert. Gilbert's what you doing, buddy? Is he chewing on his thing that he had downstairs? No, it's still down there. What you doing, buddy? What are you doing? This little treaty treat. Sir, you're looking extra puffy today. Gilbert is the YouTube star, known for his puffiness and a little bit of attitude. See, Gilbert gets all the things.
And there's always more. There's a whole box load.
Dude, these two are competing over here. Suki, let Peanut have a turn, for crying out loud. Peanut, you're failing me with the high ground. Oh, never mind. You got something there. All right. Again, the high ground is undefeated. Man, you're just ripping it apart. You two or something else. And, well, we'll keep it on YouTube. Gilbert just left the scene of a crime. But I have a feeling you two will be keeping this up for hours on end. So we might have to cut the video here, but it seems like everybody's enjoying themselves. So, no complaints there. Alrighty. Well, I think this was a success. And Gilbert went to do whatever he's gonna do. You're in the dark background, buddy. Hey, what you doing? Oh yeah, you got your own over here.
He likes the bottom one better.
This is more elaborate. He got the green version compared to the blue and red. So, am I disturbing? Yep, totally.
He was
Totally.
gonna chew on it until you opened the bottom.
Totally. It didn't stop these two. Now he's looking to caught. Gilbert is unpredictable. Just like me. Alright. We're gonna let Gilbert do his thing. Miss Suki, you got any words for the people? Yeah. She will turn her back on you. That big old back. Alright. Peanut, you got any words for the people? No. No words for the peoples. Alright. Trying to see what Gilbert's doing, if he makes up his mind. Oh, look at him with the ring. Alright, Gilbert. You got any departing words for the people? Nothing. But still cute.
Suki is debating jumping out.
Suki, any final words? Just a strong stare. Oh, bye. All right, people. I think we're going to call it a night. Thank you, everybody. We're signing off. Good night.